Hello guys, today I am going to tell you about an amazing tech learning platform, Techlearn.live. Here you will learn how tech giants like Apple, Amazon, Google, Flipkart, Uber, Netflix uses AI, ML and data science to grow by helping us. As the tagline says, knowledge discovery through brand stories. You will be learning about these brands and how they grow by making us more comfortable than earlier. So let us log in first. As I have already signed up, so I only need to enter my number and then enter OTP to proceed further. If you are new, you can also do the same thing, then enter the required details. It will open like this. It will show you my booking and my dashboard. As I have already enrolled for some sessions, you may see those here. Like I have enrolled for Python machine learning project on spam classification in Gmail. Earlier I had enrolled for Netflix recommendation system. Now let us go to my dashboard. You will see your upcoming sessions, and here are some sessions I enrolled or attended earlier. Like here is Netflix recommendation. How do they know what you like? Let's see the details. I got certificate on attending the session. Let's see it. Here is my certificate. Similarly, you all will get. Let's see the notebook. Here is the notebook which contains all the things which gets taught in the session. If you miss something you learned in the session, you can refer to it later. It is from beginning to advanced in chapters like art network personalization, content based recommendation, extra introduction to collab, natural language processing and so on. The code file used in the session is also available for you to refer again. You can try to run your code yourself in your Google Colab. Let me show you some other sessions you can attend where mostly are free and some are paid. Here is Python machine learning, predicting cricket match winners using machine learning. Here is session on how Tesla self-driving car works. Let's try to book. Okay, the session is not scheduled yet. Okay, let's try again later. Let's see the description. Everything available, all the details available about YOLO, computer vision, deep learning and so on. Here is the notebook. Code demonstration also available. How autopilot works. Let's go to other sessions. Let's go to home. Here is Python ML, match prediction, Tesla, Netflix recommendation, Flipkart helping small business, Amazon Go future of shopping, how Way saves your time, Apple Siri, how does voice recognition works, how does Instagram facial filters work, how Swiggy chatbot works, how NASA auto-colorize image with deep learning, how Google DeepMind reinforcement learning works, how Amazon optimizes delivery routes using genetic algorithm, and how deep learning reverse image search beginners project, and many others. So what are you waiting for? Start learning now. Website link in description. All the best.